I've been storing my chisels in a cardboard box I bought them in. So I needed something to hold my chisels that would be easy to take with me. I decided to make a tool roll out of leather. I cut a parallelogram-shaped piece out of the leather. I ended up with a corner angle of 98 degrees. The parallelogram forms a rectangle when the edges are folded in. I ironed the folds in place and also added an iron-on stabilizer strip on the backside edge of the leather. I used a soft leather for this project, so the stabilizer helps to make the edge stronger. The top stitch helps even more. I marked the placement of the pockets with pins. After marking some reference lines, I sewed the pockets in place. Most of the tool roll was finished at this point, but I wanted to add an extra pocket with a zipper to store pens or other small items. I cut a rectangular hole into the leather where the zipper will go. The iron-on stabilizer helps with the sewing. I added my logo on the front of the pocket. I top stitched the logo and kept the ends long. This way I could tie them on the backside neatly. Next I cut some lining fabric for the pocket. I marked the zipper placement on one of the sides, then cut a slit along this line and a V-shape on the ends of the slit. I pressed the sides under and sewed the lining around the zipper by hand. I place the lining pieces together and draw a line along the leather edge to the lining pieces. I sewed a straight stitch 1 cm inside that line. I then added a zigzag stitch between the line and the straight stitch. After this I was able to cut away the excess lining and have a perfect size pocket lining. To make the top edge of the pocket neat, I added a twill tape over the edge of the lining and top stitched the leather and the lining together. I used clips to hold the pocket in place while I stitched around the tool roll edge. This way I was attaching the pocket at the same time. I cut away some excess leather from the short ends of the roll. For the strap I used an old leather belt. I had to glue 2 pieces together to get it long enough. I decided to add a stitched logo detail on the seam and attach it to the roll at the same time. For this I had to punch some small holes because the leather is so thick. I hand stitched the strap to the roll and I think it came out really nice. new role. To my new subscribers, I just want to say welcome and thank you all. It's been awesome to hear your good feedback. There will be more woodworking projects in the future, so stay tuned for those and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!